Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how I use tomato for glowing skin. Every time I make sure that I choose a very good tomato, just cut it in half and rub into my skin, just the way I'm doing it. After applying the tomato juice, I leave it for 10 to 15, even 20 minutes. If I'm busy, I leave it up to 30 minutes. Then I rinse off. Now, this is how it looks when it's dry. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to rinse it out and moisturize my skin. So now I've washed my skin, it's clean. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to moisturize it. And this is how I maintain my skin glow. Thank you for watching.